CozyByTheFire.com, home of the most comprehensive and honest electric fireplace reviews on the net. Welcome to another in our series of electric fireplace reviews. Today we're going to take a look at the ClassicFlame infrared electric fireplace mantle on rollers. ClassicFlame is one of our preferred electric fireplace makers. But before we get into the details, I'd like to point out that by clicking on the link below in the description, you can read our comprehensive and honest review of this electric fireplace in its entirety. Okay, let's go to the highlights and take a look at some of the pros and cons. First off, it uses infrared heat, which is good for up to 1,000 square feet. That's as opposed to the normal forced air heater, which generally heats only 400 square feet. It's on rollers. It's perfect for zone heating. Just roll it into the room you're currently using, plug it in, and you're good to go. It's also made by ClassicFlame, which is one of our 4 preferred electric fireplace makers that we recommend categorically. Flame effects are among the best in the industry. They use a patented spectrifier technology which allows for up to 125 different color and intensity combinations on the flames. The fireplace remains cool and safe for kids and pets. It's made by ClassicFlame and they consistently get great buyer reviews. This fireplace is no exception. Now let's take a look at some of the cons. First off, it has a relatively short power cord. It's only about 4 feet long. Next is the infrared heat could be a disadvantage if you're using it for an incorrect application. Make sure you read up a little bit on the differences between infrared heat and forced air heat. The ClassicFlame electric fireplace mantle is an attractive portable electric fireplace on roller wheels. It has exceptional heating capacity and some of the best flame effects in the industry. If you're looking for an attractive electric fireplace mantle from a quality maker that's getting great buyer reviews, this is it. To get the full details and need-to-know buying info, please click on the link below in the description and read our full review. Thanks and have a great day from the folks at CozyByTheFire.com.